You find something that inspires you to move forward. You're a little bit brave. Your life, it's for living. Hey rockstars, it's Amara, and today we're talking about how you can manage to vlog for an entire month when you are not a daily vlogger. We're talking about tips for VEDA. Vlog every day in April. But before we get into them, you can hit subscribe if you'd like to be part of the next adventure. We do all kinds of adventures on Amara in Seattle. It's where lifestyle is an adventure. Like up this video if you like the idea of pushing yourself to do something new, whether that's trying a vlogging holiday like VEDA or Vlogmas or Vlogtober or something else that you've always wanted to do. If you ring the bell, it makes life real easy. You just get notifications when new videos happen. So let's talk about it. Tips for VEDA. I have done VEDA about, I want to say 3 times. I'm in the middle of doing VEDA this time. I'm doing something totally new this year. Hashtag Amara's Cute VEDA. I'm doing VEDA with like a really focused theme. In fact, there's a sub theme. We're in the middle of Cherry Blossom Week over there. And I wanted to tell you guys some of the things I've learned from doing VEDA in the past. It's hard to create videos every day of the week. It's really hard, especially if you do any editing. It's hard because it's time consuming if you have jobs. There's some ways you can do it anyhow. First thing you can do for success with VEDA is you can pre-plan. You can think through what you're gonna do. I'm doing VEDA over on my vlog channel, Amara In Seattle Vlogs. I knew I wanted a cherry blossom and cuteness experiment in April. I was just feeling like those were things that were kind of falling out of my life and I wanted to like inject them back in there. And I also pre-planned the actual content. Thought about the fact that I wanted to do Cherry Blossom Week and I figured out when I would like to do that. And I figured out some of the other videos that are coming in the future. Something like VEDA, the real point of it is to let it be fun. It's a holiday. You can use it to meet new creators, inspiring you to go out and have a really good time in the month. I'm already finding that VEDA has me being a little bit more mindful, specifically of where cherry blossoms happen and like beautiful floral moments happen. So that's been already like one little fallout piece of it. Something that's really good to do when you have a vlogging holiday of this nature is to spend some time letting it inspire you to try new things. I did a video where I tried all kinds of food that had to do with cherry blossom flavors. There was the adventure of attaining those things. There was the adventure of actually trying those things out. So there's an adventure within an adventure you can find. If you let a situation like VEDA encourage you to try new stuff, you can find all kinds of wonderful things. Especially if you're doing VEDA and you're just vlogging where things are. I think one of the really wonderful things vlogging can do for you is it can inspire you to go out and do the things you've always been interested in so that you let YouTube and the wonderful things that it is inspire you to do the things you want to do. Another thing to consider doing when you're taking part in VEDA is to use inspiration liberally. You don't have to constantly be figuring out how you're interesting and how there's interesting stuff to be found. There's lots of people who make lists of things that you can take part in during VEDA. Go ahead and happily take part in things like hashtag #SSSVEDA. There's also the option of being inspired by other people that are participating in VEDA. If you're taking part in VEDA, you should probably also watch videos of other people who are taking part in VEDA, interact with them, and there's the possibility that something one of them says or does can inspire you to do something in your VEDA video. Moreover, if you share back with them that you were inspired by them, there's the potential for a new internet connection, which could be collaborations, which could be all kinds of things that'll benefit your growth, and moreover, your growth of what really matters in a thing like YouTube, the community. I really recommend letting yourself be inspired by what's going on in the holiday as a whole. The last tip I have, and one of the tips I bring to just about everything in my life, is build community. Y'all, you're gonna enjoy making videos a whole lot more if you build a community to be trying things out with. These kinds of vlogging holidays are such a great time to connect with people. You literally punch in that hashtag VEDA into just about any social media network, find some posts, find those people, connect with them, and suddenly you've got new avenues for people to connect with. Even easier, if you are doing Amy Landino's #SSSVEDA challenge, there's a list with everyone else's hashtags and handles. You don't even have to do any more research. There's already an Excel sheet waiting for you. It's very easy to find people that are doing VEDA, and it turns it into something where it's not just like you talking into your camera. It's also a situation where suddenly you're embracing all these other people who are creating content, and you potentially can make collab videos. And I've done so many collab videos with people I've met through events like this. I can't recommend that enough. So those are my 5 tips for how you can take part in VEDA or vlogging holiday in general. If you guys are taking part in VEDA, would you do me a favor and leave me a comment below? Let me know that you're taking part in VEDA so I can check out your channel. And if you are interested in what I'm doing on the VEDA scene, you may be going, Amara, you're talking talking about VEDA, but you haven't been doing it on this channel. That is correct. I have two other channels. Amara In Seattle is my travel channel. That's where we get lost in travel. And VEDA is happening on my vlogging channel. That's Amara In Seattle Vlogs, where everything's an adventure. This year for VEDA, we're doing hashtag Amara's Cute VEDA with Cherry Blossom Week kicking it off. Run over to the vlog channel and check those things out. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel, Rockstars, and I hope you have an excellent time taking on a challenge in your life, be it some sort of vlogging challenge like VEDA or Vlogmas or Vlogtober, or if it's just a challenge that's driving you towards the things that you want to be doing. After all, your life, it's for living. I hope you guys found some value in those tips. Thanks so much for watching Rockstar's Best Adventures. It's Amara in Seattle. So the top of the Space Needle and the rain falling down. It has been a little bit rainy, a little like a smush. A smusher rain. Ooh, you stuck around to the end. That means you get bonus content. Ba-da-dum. If you're not a person that participates with VEDA, or if you are a person who participates with VEDA, consider the benefit of a thing like VEDA. These kind of things that grew out of this majestic thing that we do together when we connect through this digital space, and reach out to somebody new. And I talked to you guys about building community and being open to it, but what I'm asking in this bonus piece is that you're a little bit brave and you go and you build community forward with this. That you go and you build a connection with someone, or you find something that inspires you to move forward beyond VEDA. My last and final kind of bonus tip is that you find something that helps you move beyond the project. Find something while you're in the middle of VEDA that's going to bring you betterment as you continue to make videos, as you continue to build community. Whatever it is that you do this for, or that you're inspired by if you don't make videos, take a holiday like VEDA and learn something. Learn how you could be better at making videos, learn how you could be a person who inspires other people, learn how you build community. My hug to you, YouTube, but we're all rooting for you, and we're excited about the good stuff that comes in the future, because good stuff is coming. Love you. Amara in Seattle. Bye! Till next week, Friday. Woo!